Hey guys, today I'm doing some more coding and we'll be creating a little mini game. It's just about odd numbers and catching them, so let's go right into it. I'll just be running us through the code. So first we're going to create the variables, so get 3 of these variable blocks and stack them right under each other. And then do odd number. Do capital O to start with because it's something that the computer understands better or is better. So that is 0, 1 as it's odd. 0, 1. Even number 0, 0. And then we're going to do the score, which is 0, 0 for now. Oh, we can just do 1, 0, no difference. So when button 3, which is my start button in the design here, you can make this bigger if you want, guys. Just drag it along. So button 3. So when button 3 is clicked, you want the a time loop to begin. Just want to place that right inside of that and go and change the function to 2000 if 2000 equals to 2 seconds. So we're going to go into variables, and in variables you want to be grabbing this third one, the x equals to nothing, and then you want to type in odd number, just exactly how you typed it in there, and then go 0, 1, grab another one, even number, 0, 0. Now you want to just quickly grab this math and keep it in there, and then you type in again odd number. Sorry, I missed this step. Odd number, and then 0, 1, and then even number. So we've named our variables and we're just using those named variables. And variables are just like objects or like the main focus. It's like creating a new object. So you want to go set number over here, and you want to just bring it right in there, and you want to type it to odd. Set number odd. So this one says odd. Set number odd, and then you want to type in odd number here, just like we did. And then you want to grab another set number, and you're going to go down, set number, even, and then capital E, even number. I'm sorry if I spelled even wrong. And then wrong, set, and then it's a set position. So this is changing the position of how our main thing is. So we want to do set position of odd first. You can do even if you want. I'm going to just do odd. Go into math, go random number, and then if you want to do 50 or whatever it says, yeah, 50 to about 251, and then do that here too. Get another random number, 50 to 51. Oh, 251. Now for this, you need to go into your design and you need to click on whatever the box numbers, and this one's odd, so I'm going to go click on odd. And the width is 80 of this one, and the height is 35. So you want to remember these numbers. You want to slide in, you go type in 80 here, and the height is 35. So this would change the position of it, and then you also want to do that with the other one, so that the even number will change too. So we're going to go, where is it? set position, even, math. We're going to go into math and do the same thing again. Oops, wrong place. And you're going to go again 50 to 51. So this is just giving a random number between those ranges. So you can pick, it will pick any y-axis and x-axis for it to land. Oops. 50 to 51, and then you want to get the width of this one, and that is 90, 35. Just type in 90, and just type in 35. So that's that done. And now you want to go into UI controls again. And if you guys didn't know what UI stands for, it stands for User Interface. And GUI stands for Graphical User Interface. Just a quick hot tip. So on event, and then you want to go evened. Oh, I typed it even, I meant even. So you want to go to even, and you want to go to the score. So you want to go to variables, and you want to get this variable. Sorry, my bad. That's a big mistake. You've already named the variable. You want to get this variable. Sorry, big mistake for me. Score equals to this. So score. And then you guys can do just straight away, just bring that block and just go score minus 10. But then I'm just jazzing it up, score minus 10. It will be the same. And then you want to go set number, drop down, score, and then you also, because it's named score, you need to go type in score here. So we're going to do the same thing, just so it also happens to the odd number, and then you're going to go into variables again and get this one and type in score. And then you want to go into math real quick and bring this and type in score plus minus 10. And you guys will know if it's wrong by, you'll see a red square, as you can see. And when you start the run, it won't work because there is a official problem. So there will be a problem when you do it, so you just want to type in minus 10 in here. Oops. Yeah, as you can see, that's the red square. It will tell you it is wrong. And then this is the right square where you just want to type in minus 10. And when you type in minus 10, you just want to go there and minus 10, bring the set number. What is that set number? Set number, score, and the big one. And you want to type in score there because that's what we named. That's what I named my variable here. You name it score, and then you want to bring just on events just under this one again, and you want to do when this button 2 is clicked, stop. You want to go into here and you want to stop the time loop. So you want to go into stop the time loop since this all bit, the main bit comes under the time loop. So you want to stop that. And there may be some errors in this because this is the first time we're doing it, but let's see if it works. Sorry, seems like there's a few internet issues. Yeah, so I've just got the bug again, so I'm gonna have to share it. Control C, and then I have to go and open it up, and then let's have. Sorry, seems like there's an internet issue. Loading. Hey, as you can see there, I just clicked on the wrong one, giving me minuses. It's minusing by 10. And when I click on this one, now as you can see, this one's only being 0, so it seems like there's been a error in the code. So it's not the even number is going from even number to even number, but when I press start, give it some time. 9, 10, 15, 16. So there's obviously not been some great things. So let's go back and see what we've done. So on the even number, when the even number is clicked, you want to minus it by 10. This is where I've made my mistake. So I need to plus it by 2. And I plus this by 2 too. But I've plus it by 0, so this should be better. So I've made an error first time, that's okay. So click on the odd number, 6. And another error. I've also put minus down here. So these are simple mistakes, don't do them. But I just made them by mistake. So 3, and as you can see, that's how you're just going to do it. And you can stop it. And it will be paused. It won't change until you press start again. And you go bang. So you guys can check this out and see if you can do anything better, and put in the comments below if there are any more videos you want to see, and tell me in the comments how you made it. And also, if you guys want to learn how to do some text or learn the code, you can just press show text up here, or you can press show blocks like that. Same either way, but you also get to learn how to write it. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you've learned a lot, and remember to hit that like button and subscribe so you can see more videos like these. Till then, that's me signing off.